Let's learn how to say fruit juice in Chinese. 果汁 Please repeat after me. 果汁果汁果汁果汁 Now let's say it faster. 果汁果汁果汁 In this exercise, we are still going to fill in the blank with the following drinks in order. However, I'm going to read 2 sentences together. Please repeat after me. 我口渴，我想喝点水。我口渴，我想喝点牛奶。我口渴，我想喝点豆浆。我口渴，我想喝点茶。我口渴，我想喝点果汁。Well done! 好样的 See you tomorrow. 明天见 I've spent lots of time, energy, and efforts into making this video for you to learn Chinese. Please give me a thumb up or share to show me your support. Thank you. If you need more of my videos, please search 11 Dreams Go-Getter Sabrina or search Learn Chinese with Sabrina. No boring grammar. Or visit my website at www.11dreamsgogetter.com. Have a wonderful day.